So the policy came up with 22 policy statements, and it's very overarching because it touches on each and every other sector that you can think of that is very fundamental to the development of Lesotho. So just to, I won't read them out loud, all of them, maybe to pick a few. Policy statement number 1, which says strengthen climate early warning systems and improve climatic information, including research and systematic observation. Policy number 3 says develop or promote climate smart agriculture and food security. We can also look at the mining sector. I said promote climate resilience in mining, and then there is promote climate resilience and reduce greenhouse gas emissions in manufacturing. So these are some of the policy statements that talk to the issues that we are going to talk about today. Policy statement number 6 says, or 7 says, climate-proof and increase efficiency of the tourism sector. And then there are also issues of policy number 20, which says promote research and development, innovation and technology transfer. And then there is also 21, which says mobilize financial resources. And not also to forget this one, policy number 16, which talks about participation or promotion of gender, youth and vulnerable groups. And then tourism and creative industry. We have climate-proof tourism attraction areas and programs. Strengthen relations between tourism facilities, operators and local communities to collaborate in preventive and mitigating actions and responsive to extreme weather events. Because this is where you'll find that our tourism sector is very dependent, highly dependent on climate sensitive sectors. So we have to make sure that we don't lose our biodiversity, we don't lose our natural resources, we don't lose our cultural heritage. Therefore, hence why we're saying we should incorporate climate change in all the sectors. And under technology and innovation, we have introduced incentives for climate change related innovations, including relevant publications on climate change, encourage research on different sustainable technologies that respond. Some of you may know that we already have what we call the Green Climate Fund. So whatever development initiative maybe that we want to take or do, it will be good if we incorporate issues of climate or climate change so that they can so that we can be able to access finance from that fund. And then this one, develop climate change programs and initiatives that shall easily attract regional and international climate financing. Introduce innovative incentives to enhance the interest of private sector participation in climate programs. Foster and empower youth, gender and all vulnerable groups to effectively participate in climate change issues. In every other sector, we need resources for us to be able to address issues of agriculture. We also need participation of the private sector, and then youth and women and gender issues. We also need and that also the same applies for the manufacturing, the tourism and creative industry, and also the technology and innovation.